Hi creators! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can now design and sell your merch directly from your Creator Store. Let's get into it. Once you're in your Creator Store dashboard and you are in products, you're going to select new product. Once you're there, you can head down to the bottom where you will see design and sell merch. Once you're in, you will see all the options that we have for you to create merchandise. Anything from a hat, from socks, a mug, even to accessories for your home. So to begin, I'm going to start with something simple and I will create a organic bucket hat. Once you select the item that you would like to create and sell, you will see the colors that are available for this product, as well as the price of the product, and then the size and the technique. We have the option to do embroidery as well as direct to film printing. So for this video, I'm going to select the direct to film printing. Once you've selected your technique, you can select design now. Once you're in design now, you can begin creating and designing what your product would look like. If you have an image that you'd like to upload, maybe something that you've created on Canva, you can go ahead and upload and drop your design here. If you prefer not to upload or drop your design, you can also add text or even clip art as well as fill in with some colors. So I'm going to choose text for today. And I'm going to go ahead and write in my text that I would like to see on my product. And as you can see right now, my font is too big to see on my product. So I want to come in here and I want to shrink down this font size so that everything is visible and within range for it to be printed correctly. I'm also going to go in and add a little clip art. Again, you can increase or decrease the size as needed so that it is in the range that it needs to be for your merchandise. Now that I am done with my design, I'm going to go ahead and move along so I can get ready to sell my product. I'm going to select next. From there, you can begin to create the details of your product, starting with the title of the content you are selling, as well as the description and overview of the content. Now, we do already have some details in here for you. You can edit those, modify those as needed so that it fits your brand and your overall site. We'll show the colors available, which is based off of the colors that I chose that I would like to sell, and also the sizes. You can also see your images here that will be shown when your customers are on your site and they are looking at your product photos. Now, if you'd like, you can come in here and reorganize or rearrange those how you like. You can remove any ones that you feel really don't display the product as you like. You can even click and upload any of your own images. Maybe you've purchased your hat yourself and then you took some images that you'd like to see for your product photos. Once you're done rearranging and organizing your product photos, you can go ahead and select Save. And that will update to reflect all the ones that you've chose. Down here at the bottom, you have your selling price, and you can choose the sales margin that you'd like to increase or decrease so that you can make a profit from your sale. So here it'll tell you how much you make. Currently, the manufacturing cost is $20.50. If you sell it for $23.54, you would make $3.04 per sale. So you can adjust that as needed. And that is it. You can select publish and you are all set and ready to sell your merchandise. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team for more assistance. Thanks for watching.